to the Food and Travel Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to show you how I spice up my oatmeal. I have some evaporated milk, about 2 cups of evaporated milk, and I added some salt to that, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. And be sure to have your stove on medium heat because you don't want the milk to burn. And then I added a piece of cinnamon stick and some cinnamon powder just to spice up that instant oatmeal. It's quick and easy, should be less than 5 minutes, and you'll have a flavorful oatmeal to share with your family and friends. And I'm using the instant oatmeal, as I told you, no flavor. If you want to add flavor one, then that's fine. And as you can see to the side there, the milk was rising up, and so once I put the spoon in, it kind of went down. And then I'm adding my 2 packets of oatmeal, and there you go, you see it rising to the left hand side again. And once you stir it with a metal spoon, that it prevents the milk from overflowing, and you can also reduce your flame. And so there I am, just cleaning the sides of the pan. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe. Turn on that notification so you do not miss any videos. Leave a comment below if you like what you see, because we truly appreciate you for watching our videos, and we thank you so much for doing that. And so there you see it's coming to a boil, and I'm just making sure it's not sticking to the bottom because the milk can cause that to happen. You can also add coconut milk to even bring it up another level, but I'm just using my evap milk here. And if it's too thick, you just add some water like you see I just did, to get it back to whatever consistency you would like. And so once it's cooked, then we're going to spice it up some more. And so there I'm having it at the consistency that I do like. So I'm going to be adding some sweetened milk, some vanilla, some almond spice, and my nutmeg, and some cinnamon powder again. So there I have completed cooking my oatmeal. So now I'm adding the spices. My flame is off. I've added my vanilla and my almond, and so there I'm adding my nutmeg. I just grated because I use the ball, as you can see. And there I'm adding my sweetened condensed milk, and then I'm going to stir it. And once all that is incorporated, then I'm going to taste it just to make sure that it has the flavor that I want. It did, but if you want to add something more, you can add a little bit more vanilla. The almond, you have to just use a toops, because that will just throw the flavor off. And you can see my consistency there. I'm showing you, and then I'm showing you how to plate it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay safe, be well, and I will see you on the next video. And I'm just sprinkling my cinnamon on top. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.